Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. Finding updated records. This was asked in Microsoft interviews and we will try to solve this problem using Python. So we are told that we have a table with employees and the salaries. So this is that table. However, some records are old and contain outdated salary information. Okay, which means that we have, let's say for a particular employee, we could have a current salary as well as some outdated salary, like a salary for a previous year or any of the previous years. We need to find the current salary of each employee, assuming that salaries increase each year. Okay, so this is a very important assumption. When the assumption says salaries increase each year, that would mean that the highest salary is the most latest salary or the current salary. So one hint that we get from this statement here is we could use the max function to find the current salary of an employee. Output their ID, first name, last name, department ID, current salary, all of these. Order your list by employee ID in ascending order. Okay, seems like a pretty simple question. Let's try to answer code this. Okay, so our resultant data frame should have, let's say we take this input data frame, which is ms underscore employee underscore salary. We need to uh, okay, so we don't need all the salaries, right? We need the maximum salary for each employee. So what we could do is, based on these output parameters or output columns, ID, first name, last name, department ID, we can group by this data. So I'll group by this data, group by the function, and within it I will pass in all of these four columns, okay, which is their ID, which is simply an ID, first name, last name, department ID. So I can just pick up this ID from your first name from your last name from your department ID. Okay, so we have grouped by so basically all of these, right, is a unique combination of a particular employee's a particular employer record. So basically we have taken all of the columns except for the salary column. Okay, now what we need to do is, for this particular salary column, I'll just pick up the salary column and apply a max function on it. So I get the maximum record grouped by every unique employee combination. Now, as you know, whenever you use a group by, the grouped by columns get indexed. Now we need to remove them from the index and instead reset it with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number series. So I'll use a reset index function over here, and we also have to order a list by employee ID in ascending order. So what I do is I use this function sort values and pass in the ID, and by default the sorting is done in an ascending order. Let's run the code and let's check the solution. That's correct. Thank you.